Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making Russian salad. Items that you need: 5 or 6 potatoes, depends on the size, 4 large carrots or 200 grams of small ones like I have, 300 grams peas or 10 ounces, 350 grams pickles or 12 ounces, 400 grams of cooked ham or 1 pound, 2 cups of mayonnaise 16 ounces, 4 hard-boiled eggs, tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt and tablespoon of pepper. If you have large potatoes, make sure you peel the skin, but if you have small potatoes like mine with the thin skin, you can just wash them and cut them in small pieces, like ½ inch or so. Same with carrots. If you're using large carrots, make sure you peel the skin. I'm using baby carrots, so I just had to wash them and then cut them in small pieces. Also pickles, cut them very small. I use cooked sliced ham, it's easier to cut it. You can get smoked ham, but don't use honey or any glazed ham, it would give the weird flavor. I use 3 separate pots, one for potatoes, second for carrots and peas together, and third for boiling eggs. After water boils, cook eggs for about 6 minutes. Cook potatoes, carrots, and peas for about 15 minutes. Just make sure your potatoes are well cooked. After everything is cooked, drain the water, peel the eggs and cut them in very small pieces. Before you mix it up, let it cool down for about 10 minutes. I use KitchenAid dish because I'm going to use it to mix everything down. I start with carrots and peas, and then mayonnaise, eggs, ham, pickles, lemon juice, mustard, salt and pepper. Make sure you don't add potatoes yet. If you are using KitchenAid, mix it for about 2 minutes, slow speed. Otherwise, just mix it well. On the end, add potatoes and mix them by hand gently. You don't want to make mashed potatoes. After everything is mixed, cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours to cool everything down. Enjoy! I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.